Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change power plan to high performance on Windows 11. So if your PC or laptop runs on Windows 11 and now you want to change the power plan from balance to high performance, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change power plan to high performance on Windows 11, all you need to do is click on the start button, select settings. Then on the settings page, locate and click on system. Once you selected system, scroll down the system page and here you want to select power and battery. Now once you selected power and battery, the next thing you want to do is locate power mode. You can see optimize your device based on power use and performance. Now to change power plan to high performance on your Windows 11, click on this drop menu. Underneath it you have two options. The first option is the performance of your PC when it is plugged in and the performance of your PC when it's on battery. Then click on this drop menu on each of them and then select the best performance. Select best performance or high performance. This depends on your setup. In my own case, I have best performance and best power efficiency. So select the one that best describes what you are looking for. Instead of selecting high performance, I could easily go for best performance here or best power efficiency. But for the purpose of high performance, let's go with best performance and then we are good. So that's exactly how to change power plan to high performance or best performance on Windows 11. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.